Hello students, so now in the next session, second session, today's second session. So now the next chapter is chapter 6, that is triangles. So again I'm telling you, this is this live videos I'm making for those students who score less mark during the complete session. So these are the some important chapters from which they are asking question, and these chapters are formula based. If you know formula, you can do question. So for formula, worksheet is already given to you. So from that worksheet, every day morning, you get up and write formula. Then inshallah that problem will be over. पर group में भेज दो. So now from this chapter, I told students to just practice only theorems. First you make it 100% and then you go for questions from this chapter. First theorem, there are only 3 theorems and chances are there one will come. So it will come in 3 marks or in 5 marks included with one question. So if you are perfect in theorem, so at least 3 marks you can score. So today's theorem, that is theorem 10.1 we have to do, because yesterday we did theorem 10.2. So in this theorem, we have to prove that radius is perpendicular at the point of contact to a tangent. So this is a circle, this is a center, and this is a tangent at P. We have to show that radius is perpendicular to a tangent at the point of contact. So whenever you are using this theorem, and some students are writing reason radius is perpendicular to tangent, it is incomplete. Radius is perpendicular to a tangent at the point of contact because all radii are not perpendicular to tangent. So here OP, we have to show that OP is perpendicular to this. So we will take another point on tangent Q. So this any point on tangent, as you know the difference between secant and tangent. Secant is this. Okay, 2 points, it intersects circle at 2 points. Tangent intersects circle at only 1 point. So other point except the point of contact, the remaining point on the tangent will be outside the circle. You take any point very close to P, that must be outside the circle. If AB is a tangent, you take any point on AB except P, that will be outside the circle, right? So I took a point Q. So Q is outside the circle. That's why OP is less than OQ. Here detail I'm not writing, just I'm explaining. How will you will start it? You just write a circle with center O is given. AB is a tangent to the given circle at P. That you have to write in the beginning. Then you write, take another point Q on the tangent AB. Join OP and OQ. After writing till there, then you write, any point on tangent AB except P will be outside the circle. Will be outside the circle. Therefore, OP is less than OQ because OQ will be greater than radius, right? Right? OQ will be greater than radius. Therefore, OP is less than OQ, right? And smallest distance are always perpendicular distance. That's why, therefore, OP is perpendicular to OQ. Again, I am telling you how you will write this theorem. You start like this. A circle with center O is given. AB is a tangent to the given circle at P, right? Then write, take a point on AB as Q, join OP and OQ. Then you write your statement. Except P, remaining points on tangent will be outside the circle. right? Therefore, OP is less than OQ. And smallest distance is always perpendicular distance. Hence, OP is perpendicular to OQ. That's why radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. This is the complete proof of this theorem. After that, chapter 7. Chapter 7 also it came this chapter in a case study type of question. So in case study type of question, they will describe one case. Okay, maybe they will give you points on the graph. Then they will ask, they form a rectangle or they are forming a triangle, and which type of triangle they will form. Okay, or they will ask the line segment joining these two points is divided by x-axis in which ratio. Lot of questions they can frame. So it means there are two types of questions here. Two things you have to know: how to find distance between the point, and how to find the ratio section formula. So I'm telling you one question. These are the coordinates of 4 points, and this is 1 2. The second point is 4 3. The third point is 6 6. The last point D. These points, right? We want to know that these points are forming which type of triangle. Which type of triangle they will form? It is scalene triangle, or equilateral, or isosceles triangle. So we have to find the distance, and I told my student to write the points like this only. This is a formula. So one side you write formula, no need to write formula in every step to waste your time. You write it. And then I told my student, you do find side AB, you put it arrow here and read from down to top. So 4 minus 1, keep your finger, because in board examination only one time you will write in your life, so no mistake. While copying number, if you are doing mistake, it means you are very careless. So now 4 minus 1, 3 square, plus 1 square, 9 plus 1, that is square root 10. And then BC. BC, 6 minus 4 whole square, 6 minus 3 whole square, 6 minus 4, it is 2 square, and it is 3 square. This is 4 plus 9 is square root 13. And then CA. Then CA, I told my student, do like this. So 6 minus 1 whole square, 6 minus 2 whole square, it is equal to 5 square plus 4 square, it is 25 plus 16, and this is equal to square root 41. All sides are different. We can say AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. So they are asking which type of triangle. So they are forming triangle. It is understood. If they are asking which type of triangle, so AB, this therefore is scalene triangle, right? Scalene triangle. And now after this, the next chapter is areas related to circle. That is chapter 12. So today we are going to find the area of a segment. Find the area of minor segment of the given figure. this angle, this symbol means how much angle? This symbol means 90 degree, no? This is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree and radius is given 14. We have to find the area of minor segment, means this area we have to find. So for that, because you are writing formula, okay? So area of segment, you wrote formula. Area of segment. This is equal to area of sector minus area of corresponding triangle. So area of sector theta by 360 pi r square, and here triangle AOB. AOB is a right triangle. So right triangle means if their sides, which sides except hypotenuse are given. In a right triangle, except hypotenuse, one side can be taken as base and another side can be taken as altitude. So in the right triangle, see, it is 90 degree. So you can say it is base and you can say it is altitude. So in a right triangle, except hypotenuse, if other two sides are given, you can find the area of that right triangle. So here see, it is 90 degree, it is hypotenuse, these two sides are given. So here we can write 1 by 2 B into H. So one OA can be taken as base, then OB will be the altitude. So it is 60 by 360, 22 by 7, 14 square minus 1 by 2, 14 into 14. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. 60 ones are 66 are. 2 ones are 1s are 2 3s are. And then it is 11 by 21. 7 3s are 21. 14 into 14 minus 98. 7 3s are 7 2s are. So if you multiply them, 308 by 3 minus 98, just simplify, you will get answer in centimeter square. Hello students, can you hear me? You ask some question if you have doubt. Ayan. So now next chapter is I'm taking statistics. The median of data is given. This distribution table is given. It is class interval and then frequency. Class intervals are 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90. Frequencies are P, 15, 25, 20, Q, 8, 10. The median of the following data is 50. Median is given 50. Sum of frequencies is 90. So it is 90. So to find median or to find the missing frequencies when median is given, in both cases, first you have to identify median class. If median is given, then it's very easy to find median class. You have to know that this given median median exist in which class interval? So you see, 50 is here or here? Tell me. 50 to 56. So this is median class. But if median is not given, then we have to find cumulative frequency to know the median class. Here also we have to find cumulative frequency, but median is given, so easily we got the median class. So this is median class. So how to find cumulative frequency? First one is same as it is, cumulative frequency. Then 15 plus P. 15 plus this one is 40 plus P. 40, 60 plus P. Then 60 plus P plus Q. 68 plus P plus Q. 78 plus P plus Q. Right? This must be equal to the sum. The cumulative frequency of last class interval will be equal to sum of frequencies. So we can write 78 plus P plus Q equal to 90. So P plus Q equal to 90 minus 78. So P plus Q equal to 12, right? It is one equation. And after identifying median class, we can say lower limit is 50, right? Frequency is 20. We are taking cumulative frequency of the class before the median class because there are many cumulative frequencies. Which cumulative frequency you have to take in formula? Before the median class, so this is CF. Now write formula L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H equal to 50. Now substitute the values. L is 50, N by 2, 90 by 2 is 45, minus CF. There are two terms, so write in bracket 40 minus P plus P, I'm sorry, and F is 20. Class size is how much? 10. 0, 0 cancel, and it is equal to 50. So 45 minus 40, right? And minus into plus is minus P by 2 equal to 50 minus 50. So 45, it is 5 minus P equal to 0 into this 2. Then 5 minus P equal to 0. Then 5 equal to P. And when you substitute the value of P here, P is 5, then Q will be 7. Therefore, Q equal to 7 because P plus Q is 12. So this is from chapter 12. Now in the last chapter, which one is very easy for you, that is chapter 13. In chapter 13, you have to find the surface area of a combination, or you have to find volume of a combination of solids. Solids may be cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, and hemisphere. So mostly in combination they are using cylinder and hemisphere, cylinder and cone, cone and hemisphere. In cuboid also they are making depression, hemispherical depression, conical depression. That's why they are framing question. So here today I am taking one question. It is from your textbook only. Suppose this is a cone and the top one is hemispherical and the radius of cone is 7 centimeter. Suppose not 7, it is 5 centimeter, and the height of cone is 12 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, right?
So last question में आप θ 60 लिए थे ना,
हाँ.
और ये सुपर पर डायग्राम में 90 डिग्री गिवन था.
ओके, इसको डिलीट कर देंगे.
Right sir.
So okay, so boys here r equal to 5, we collect information. Hemisphere and cone. So hemisphere radius is 5, here radius is 5 and height is 12, and you have to find surface area. So surface area, this one is 2 pi r square and this one is pi r l. So L is not given. So L equal to h square plus r square. So 12 square plus 5 square, and this is 144 plus 25. This is 169. So L is square root of 169 is 13. And then surface area of solid equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. Hemisphere is 2 pi r square and cone is pi rl. So pi r is common, 2r plus l. Just substitute the values, you will get this answer. तो कितने बच्चे थे आपकी?